Hello friends, Bill here. Welcome into Bill's Reviews and Tech Tips. Today's not a tech tip, it's definitely a review because we'll spend a couple of minutes talking about this fabulous concept of comfort and style. There are a handful of times every year where I need to dress up like a professional with the suit and the tie and the dress slacks and the dress shoes, and at a public speaking engagement, especially at some of the large gatherings that I address, you've got to dress the part. But I am blessed that for the rest of my professional and personal life, I mostly get to dress comfortably. But that doesn't mean you can always just throw on some grubby old sweats and go wherever you want to go. I mean, you can, but I like to present myself a little better than that. So I've been on this search for the happy medium between way uncomfortable and dressed up and a little bit too casual. And after a lot of searching, I have finally found a great solution in the form of what MIVEI has to offer. MIVEI, I don't know. They didn't call me and they didn't send me these. I bought all these myself. These are such comfortable and stylish pants that I gave them a little test run a couple of weeks ago, and I wore them to church with a bit of a pullover, kind of like this. And I had a couple of compliments from people saying, man, those look really comfy. And then somebody will do this to them, and they realize that these are super comfortable. And I say that because I actually had purchased from a different company what they claimed to be something like these, and they're horrendous. They are sitting in my scrap part of the closet where I will wear them as grubby old sweats because they're terrible. The selections from MIVEI are really, really good. So good that I have purchased the black, the navy blue, and in a moment we'll take a look at the grays as we unpackage them together. Let's take an up-close look at what makes these so special. First of all, they look really good. I mean, these look really stylish. They look like casual dress pants. They have the stretchy spandex-like material in them. And if you have a pullover on of some sort, or if you tuck the drawstring in, people can't even tell that there's a drawstring. All three pockets on both sides have a zipper so that they will protect your valuables from falling out, including on the back pocket where quite often you'll probably slide in the cell phone. Another benefit of what I discovered from MIVEI, I'm about 6'5", and so it's very difficult to find casual pants that aren't also super duper short, and so you can't wear those out. You look like you just got caught in a flood. They offer inseam lengths of 34 and 36, and I can't remember, maybe even longer. So I'm a 38, 34, and I found the exact fit on the website, and these are spectacular. And if you have ever bought joggers before, you know that most often they have cuffed bottoms. They cuffed around your ankles. I can't stand that because whenever you do some sort of an athletic move and kick up, then the cuff rides up and you've got something stuck up on your leg like that. That's no good. These are an open leg bottom at the base, and I really like that. So I've got black here. I've got navy blue here. We just took shipment of the grays, which I can guarantee you are going to become a vital part of my wardrobe, and there are several other colors available. So if you, like me, have been trying to find a way to thread the difference and make sure that you're presenting yourself with some style while still remaining comfortable, might I suggest what MIVEI has to offer. And so, my friends, if this review has been helpful and encouraging to you, and you're thinking, you know, I might want to give that MIVEI stuff a try, you could help us out a little bit if you would hit subscribe for our channel and check out the affiliate link that we have in the description. That helps us a little bit, and it helps you find the perfect combination of comfort and style. We'll see you next time on Bill's Reviews and Tech Tips.